So, we have looked at some algorithms for game playing. We saw algorithm Minimax, we saw algorithm alpha beta, and we saw algorithm SSS star. So, let us run them on some randomly generated game trees and see how they perform on the same graph essentially. So, let us say we take this randomly generated game graph, and the leaf values will have randomly generated evaluation function values, and we will see how the three algorithms perform on the same graph. So, we are running the Minimax algorithm first. So, remember Minimax does a complete sweep of this entire game tree in a depth first fashion, and you can see that that is what is happening here. It is going down the leftmost branch here. So, let us speed up the animation a little bit so that we can finish it faster. So, this will not do any pruning at all. This is simply brute force. It searches the entire game tree. There are small values of nodes which are written here. I am not sure whether they are visible, but in any case, that is this is a path that or the game that this algorithm has found. So, let us now run alpha beta on the same game tree, and you will see that it will not search the entire tree, but only a part of the tree. So, you can see that the black are the ones that this algorithm has searched, and it has done some amount of pruning, but it has found the same game path that Minimax found. So, alpha beta does give us the same value, except that it searches faster because it does some pruning essentially. And then, but alpha beta also is blind in the sense that it always searches from left to right. The third algorithm we saw, which was SS star, has a sense of direction. So, let us run that. I will slow it down a bit and then we can see it again. So, here it is first generating the clusters. So, maybe a little bit faster would help. And you can see that this is the search tree that this algorithm is going to explore essentially. And when we compare the three, we will see that SSS star does the minimal amount of search. Again, it has found the same game tree. This is the search tree as explored by SSS star. This was the search tree as explored by alpha beta. They look a bit similar in this example. And this is the search tree that was explored by Minimax, which explored the entire game tree. So, let us look at another example to get more of a feel of this. We will start with Minimax again. We will choose denser graph. So, this is Bhaskaran's idea of drawing the graph with the root node in the center. So, it is a tree with the root node in the center, and the leaf nodes are all along the boundary essentially. So, let us run Minimax first, but as you know, this will search the entire tree. So, we can do this a bit faster, and it will find some Minimax value, and it has found that this is a game that will be played over this game tree. So, let us record that, and let us run alpha beta on the same problem. So, a bit slower maybe. So, you will see that at some points it will start doing pruning. It is skipping some part of the tree and exploring only some part. So, let us speed it up a bit, I think. And you can see that towards the end it skipped a large part of the tree. It also found the same game path. So, that we already know that the performance of all three algorithms is that they always find the same Minimax value. All three are correct algorithms. Let us look at SSS star. So, as you know, SSS star first builds the clusters and then it explores the rest of the game tree. So, now it is exploring, it has finished building the clusters, now it is exploring the tree, and we will see that it is focused more on this part of the tree and eventually will terminate with a smaller part of the game tree explored. So, there. So, the Minimax, as we know, explored the complete game tree and found the Minimax value, which happens to be 59 in this case, and it is coming down from the node leaf node, which is at the end of this path, which is shown in red essentially. Alpha beta also finds the same value 59 from the same node, but it has explored less of the game tree as compared to Minimax algorithm. And SS star being a best first version has explored even fewer nodes. So, if you look at the bottom of the screen, you will see that there are certain nodes, for example, here which have been seen by alpha beta, but those nodes which are there in the bottom and bottom left are not explored by SSS star. So, this is alpha beta and this is SS star. The game tree that is found, the Minimax value that they have found and the paths that they have found is the same. It is just that in order, Minimax searches the entire tree, alpha beta searches a much smaller part of the tree, and SSS star searches even more smaller part of the tree. So, I hope that gives you an idea of how these three algorithms perform, and basically the idea is the more that they can prune, the more they can do further look ahead. So, they can look ahead a little bit deeper than, for example, alpha beta can look ahead more than Minimax and SSS star can look at more than alpha beta given the same time. Okay, so we are done with that.